I am going to show you Indian rice noodles. How to prepare Indian rice noodles and another 3 varieties of recipe with that rice noodles. I have taken 1 kg of raw rice, that is like this, with including the rice bran. The bran is not taken off correctly. This is the best rice for preparing rice noodles. I have taken 1 kg. For this 1 kg of rice, I have taken 1 coconut scrape and the salt which is needed for the same. One thing to be noted is that this should be soaked in water for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, you have to drain the water and if possible in a grinder. If there is no grinder, mixie also is okay. You have to grind it into a paste. It should be very thin style and a bit light. Same way, this coconut also should be grinded separately into thin portion. Then afterwards, this is mixed together and the salt is added. I have already grinded the rice and now I am going to heat and to some extent make the dough a bit cooked, some 25%. This water should get dried up and it should be able to make some round balls from this. Into that, I am going to add that 1 coconut grinded very fine into it. At this stage, you have to switch off the gas and wait for another 5 minutes to get dried up. Then you should make into small balls and once again cook it properly. Just like in an idli oven, how you cook idli, like that this should be cooked. Only after that the next process starts. Now you have to take this dough, solid state, and just make a ball style and keep it in the idli pan. Now it's not that hot, so it's easy to manage. Now I have preheated the oven, idli oven, and now let us heat this rice dough for getting it cooked. We had to wait at least 30 minutes so that it gets well cooked up. Now let us see whether the rice ball has been cooked. Yes, the rice ball has been well cooked. Now we'll take 2 pieces for squeezing. This is a manual squeezing machine. Through this, if we squeeze, it will come as in a noodle shape. Like this, you have to squeeze all the balls and then it is ready for consuming. See how soft it is. This is known as Indian rice noodles. Now the Indian rice noodle is ready. From this we are going to prepare 3 style of rice noodles. That is, one is plain noodles which can be consumed plainly along with some sabjis. Then rice noodle veg pulao and then rice noodle curd. These are the 3 items. Now let us go what all ingredients we need for the same. Now for preparing rice noodle pulao, we need little ginger, half teaspoon of pepper powder, little small onion cut, coriander leaves, little green chilies, little cashew nut, kismis, and for frying ghee. Then 2 lemon squeezed juice, little capsicum, scraped carrot, and sliced beans. These are all done in a pan. And for preparing rice noodle curd same again, we need pomegranate 1 bowl, grapes 1 bowl, little coriander leaves, 1 spoon of chili powder, cashew nut, little kismis, green chilies. For seasoning, oil, mustard, ginger, chili. You have to cut these noodles into small pieces like this. For rice noodles, pulao as well as curd same again. For both, like this. Now our pan is preheated. Let us pour ghee into it. First, let us add green chilies to it. Next, ginger. Now next, cashew nut. When the cashew nut goes little brown, just golden, to some extent golden brown, you add the kismis to it. Now you can add the beans to it. Now we have to put the onion, small onions. Now the carrot. Finally the capsicum. Little bit table salt for taste. Because we have already mixed table salt while preparing rice noodles. So for this only little salt is needed. Now the pepper powder. Pepper powder is good for getting added spicy smell. Now finally the 2 lemons squeezed. And the coriander leaves. Wait for another 2 minutes. And then we'll add Indian rice noodles to it. By the time you can switch off the gas. Now your Indian style rice noodle pulao is ready. For this you can, if you want, you can add green peas also, that is matar. Now for curd rice noodles, I kept rice noodles separate, Indian style, and in that you have to add this pomegranate, grapes, coriander and ghee. In between we have to season all these items, that is mustard, oil, chili, green chili, kismis, cashew nut, red chilies, little red chili powder, and then ginger. And finally you have to mix everything in curd, sufficient for this rice noodles. Now our pan is preheated and the oil is ready. I am putting mustard. Yes, now it started bursting.
Now you have to add the red chili. Now little curry leaves. Now little green chili. Now ginger. Little red chili powder. Now the cashew nut. The kismis. Now this has to be added along with the curd Indian rice noodle. Now we'll just add curd towards it. We can add this ing, that is asafoetida, this coriander leaves, pomegranate, when adding pomegranate it gives the curd, semia, shemega and pleasing color. Now the grapes. I have not added salt. If you need some salt, you can add. At the same time, if the curd is sour to taste, you can add little sugar. But my curd is fresh, so I am not adding. Finally, we garnish with already seasoned items. Now our three items as per Indian rice noodles is ready. One is plain noodle. That is, the combination is coconut chutney, lime pickle and buttermilk sabji. This is liquid sabji. This is veg pulao made out of rice noodles. Its combination is tomato sauce as well as chili sauce. Next item is curd rice noodles. Usually no side dish necessary, but if you want again you can take pickle or raita, but usually raita is not taken, only pickle is added if anybody wants. So I think you all have enjoyed by seeing rice noodle cooking, Indian rice noodle cooking. So if you have any suggestion, please comment on the comment box and please subscribe. Have a nice day. Thank you.